na tutikariganwo ni kire twambirie nakio ati ni twaririe gavana witu wa Kiambu uthuri wetagwo Wamatangi, Dr. Kimani Wamatangi ikarathi na mandagitari na nene a ruhonge rwa union ya ndagitari reke tu resolve the tweno digwici ya head dispute ikinye igikorwa ati ndingi resolveka. Let us resolve this issue. Now this is not politics, for the sake of the people. Like Kiambu itio ukorwo news in for the wrong things. There is a lot of maundu maingi muno positive tungiaririe ndaika icio twirwo twarie cia Kiambu. Na tikuga Kiambu nio iwika kwina mathina thini wa county citu ciothe, but you are now the example of bad governance in relation to health. Specifically macio mangi nituriuka tugithathwauraga, but in relation to health there is a problem. No tiga gutuma andu gwikira PR thini wa TV na radio. Like to resolve this issue and you will take the credit, trust me. What you can't do to resolve, you are the one who will ultimately take that credit. Let us resolve this. Na tutige kuga ati ndagitari mainuke ni tukwandika angi waiga ni ukwandika angi nurses nao magome. Acio roiga ni wandikari nao ni members ya union nao magome. Tukiandika kinyari na tukiandika ndagitari waku ati ona ungiandika mundu waku deruta wira na peace. So basically we are saying let us resolve this.